Toast to the host. Understanding a charming English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delightful phrase in the English language, toast to the host. This phrase is not only a part of everyday English but also a window into the culture and traditions of English-speaking countries. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it's often used. So, let's get started. Toast to the host is a phrase that combines two key elements, toast and host. To understand this phrase, we need to break it down. A toast, in this context, refers to a few words said as part of a celebratory drink, often in honor of someone or something. The host is the person who organizes or invites guests to an event. So, a toast to the host is a special way of expressing gratitude and appreciation to the person who has invited or organized the gathering. It's a gesture of thanking them for their hospitality and effort. In many English-speaking countries, offering a toast to the host is seen as a polite and respectful tradition. It's common in formal dinners, parties, and gatherings. This phrase represents more than just words. It symbolizes the values of gratitude, respect, and camaraderie among friends, family, or colleagues. It's a small but significant way to acknowledge the hard work of the host and to make them feel appreciated. You might be wondering, when is the right time to offer a toast to the host? Generally, it's done during a meal or gathering, often at the beginning or end. It's usually initiated by a guest who stands up, raises their glass, and addresses the group briefly to honor the host. The toast can be as simple as saying, "Here's a toast to our wonderful host." Host's name, followed by everyone taking a sip of their drink. It's a moment of collective appreciation that adds warmth and positivity to the gathering. And that's a wrap on Toast to the Host. This charming phrase is more than just words. It's a part of a beautiful tradition of showing gratitude and respect in social gatherings. Next time you attend a party or a dinner, you might just have the perfect opportunity to use this phrase and make your host feel special. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable.